In this video is presented the functionality of the RSS reader developed by BIT team, composed by Thomas Iverson, Brian Poole, and Iker Orte. The name of the project is Need for Feed, which arises from the idea of doing something useful for our daily life, not just only a class project. However, in our daily life, we are constantly reading about our favorite hobbies, and also finding new ones through the internet. So this was a great opportunity for us to join our class projects and our own hobbies. To present our app, we are using the Android emulator, where you can find normal applications from Android like browser, alarm clock, camera, messaging, email, normal ones, also the phone. But also you have this one, it's our app, it's Need for Feed. Okay, you just have to click it. When you click it, you appear in the main screen of Need for Feed. Here, Need for Feed is the app. Here we can find like several categories. It's, as we can see, it's really easy to use it. Okay, we can create new categories, remove them with these two buttons, this add and remove. Okay, here we can see we have blog, cooking, economy, music, news, sports, tech, TV and cinema. We can create as much categories as we want. It will be recorded in our app. Also, for creating a new category, you just have to say add. Okay, for example, we can type programming, and when you type programming, just have to press in add, as you can do it with your mobile phone. Now I'm doing with the mouse, so you can do it just with your finger. Okay, and now we have created. As we can see, our categories are ordered by alphabetically. Okay, so now when we enter to our category, now it's empty because we just created. Okay, we can go back, and now you go back, you can remove. You have all the categories here. Okay, now you can remove. You can just press here and remove it. Okay, but now we'll use it again, so I'm going to create it again. And this is all the main. Once introduce the main page, we are now how to move through our application in the Android. For example, when you enter into category, you have two options to go back to the main menu. You have your phone or tablet device go back as in any, and also you can use this one. It's our own, the own of our app. You just press it and you go back. Okay, this is one of the functionality really nice we can say from it. Also, when we go to a category, here we can add we can use it to add feeds. Okay, to add the feed is same as a category. Okay, just the plus to add the feed and the X to remove it. Okay, if you add the feed, for example, now we are in programming, so one of the main programming uses, it's like Oracle. You can, for programming Java, usually you use Oracle programming. Okay, for example, if you introduce like www.oracle.com, there's not a feed address. Okay, so he will say no, this is not a feed address. When we go to press add, we'll say failed to add the feed. Okay, because there's no feed address. It's important to introduce the correct feed address. Okay, so we should introduce the full address, so it's http, okay, www.oracle.com US corporate press versus pr.xml. Usually all feeds are finished with XML, or maybe some of them don't have to, but most of them are finished by XML. Okay, now we press add. Okay, now we'll see here add feed. Well, the feed has been added, so yeah, feed added. Okay, now we have here our feed. We can add as much feeds as we want in each category. So now I'm canceling, just showing how to use one. Okay, press in our feeds. Now something interesting to see, it's like we saw which feeds are now read. For now we haven't still read any feed, so we can we see in bold both feeds from Oracle. Okay, once we press one, will be shown as read it, just in regular letters. Okay, once we press, okay, we are accessing. See here in regular letters, we can read all the post as in a normal device, like in the internet. And also we have the option to go, we see all the information, everything. Okay, also the links to the web page, everything. Also we have the option to go by browser directly to the web page if we are really interested, or something is not really capped by the reader. So we can go press here and go directly to the web page where we can find the information, the full information. Okay, it's like normal reader. We are now in Oracle web page where we can download a lot of tools to program and do more stuff. Okay, now we have to use our mobile phone back button. Okay, because we are now out from the application, so we can use also another applications that are not just our own application. We can use other applications that are in the mobile phone, not just ours. Okay, just go back. Okay, and now here another way of moving through the through the application is using our menu. Okay, we have post, feed, category, and main. Okay, we can go directly to main, go just to the feed, just always in an upper way. Okay, let's go back, and now we see that this is regular and this is bold one, so it means that it haven't been read. For seeing the ones to have been read, if you don't want to read and you want to show all as read, you have this button that if you press it, like I press now, it will show it like regular and you don't need to read. But here we also have another button. It's the button that could be really useful. Now it's a button that allows us to find a similar post that the one we have here. Okay, so it's really useful when you are searching for something, when you see something really useful for you. You can also use this button to find similar feeds to the ones you have. Okay, now if you press menu, okay, now here appears like statics and settings. Now it's not still implemented because we didn't have time. We are supposed to program this application in just almost less than 1 month, so it wasn't enough time to program. But here it's supposed to program settings like background or whatever. It in our next step will be to program this part, but for now it's not implemented. Okay, now we'll use menu. Now we can go directly to main. Yeah, you see we are in main menu. I see that it's really useful. Because for example, in music, for example, we have Rolling Stone, and we have all the news that Rolling Stone they have. Okay, all from music, all, yeah, you can access it's all, yeah, and you see here PS post marked as read. Okay, I'm not waiting till it's to load. Okay, and also we can go to other feeds like, I don't know, a tech. Okay, can go Eureka, and yeah, it's fine. It's really useful app. Now it's in my computer, so it's not useful in the computer. But in mobile phone, when you are traveling and you are in metro or in the bus, it's really useful application. You can have everything you need in your pocket, and read all news and be informed. That at the end now it's so important. So this is our app. I think it's really useful, and it's something we can use in our daily life, as I said at the beginning. Also, everybody can use it. It's open source, and will be will be good for them to learn how to use Android application and develop them. That was really nice for us to learn about it. That's all. Thank you very much.